Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you're okay. Guys, esibhekene nenkinga, we are facing a very big problem. As long as we are still having this kind of leadership, foreign nationals will never stop insulting us. We are eating insults for breakfast, we are eating insult for lunch, we are eating insults for dinner from these foreign nationals. Why? Because we don't have leaders, we don't have a government to stand for us, to condemn what these people are doing. The only time you'll hear our leaders saying something is when they are defending these same people who are insulting us. So let's listen to this Ethiopian girl.
South Africans, I come to you again. You're gonna work in the streets, you can burn your tires, you can go crazy in the streets. Because foreigners must leave. Let me tell you something. You guys don't have the mindset of business. All you know is having things for free. You don't wanna hustle, you don't wanna work. And the same people that are going there by the shops and breaking in are the same people who goes to the shop and takes more credit. They're the first ones taking credit from the shops. Those foreigners come from their country to this country to make business. They come here to make business. They come with a mindset of business. We didn't say you South Africans should have a poor mentality. We didn't say that. And most of y'all just want foreigners to leave. Are you guys, you guys are taking a risk. You guys are taking a risk. You're making South African fucking broke. Listen here, South Africans. Don't say you want to have a shutdown if you can't have a peaceful shutdown.
So now they are telling us how to conduct our marches. If we don't want to do a peaceful march, we must not do it. They are instructing us how to do our marches. So you see these South Africans who are buying from these people, who are taking things on credits from these people. Look at the insults we are getting from these people now because of you guys. These people are selling expired food. These people are selling poisonous food. Why are you still eating their food? Even after seeing all these videos, how many kids must we bear in this country for you to see ukuthi labantu they are not here for peace? Nifuna size sikhulume kanjani guys? We understand we are all having the same problem of unemployment, but you cannot continue to live like this. Look at how you are belittling your own country. We no longer have a dignity as a nation because of you guys. You buy everything on credit from these people. Even some people, they buy only one egg on credit from these people. Niyabona ukuthi dignity yethu as a nation ayisekho because of some of you guys. Look at, we are insulted by a small girl from Ethiopia in our own country. Okukhombisa ukuthi asisenaso isithunzi. Ngani ngoba siyabona siyofuna ukudla ngoba silambile sithi abasinika ukudla. And we know very well ukuthi this food is poisonous. We know very well ukuthi lokhu ukudla ama-counterfeits and ku-expayile, but siyakubona sithi abasinike the same food. That is why laba bantu besibona njengezinja. That is why laba bantu besibona njengezinto ey'ngenangqondo. Uyayibona kodwa leyo nto. Ake sizameni ukubuyisa i-pride yethu as a nation. Iy'khala zemisebenzi ziyavuleka, zivulekile njengamanje. Go out there and contact people. On TikTok, you can contact iLACO there, i-Labour Desk. Contact those people. Stop wasting your data on useless things. Yenza izinto ey'bonakalayo ngedatha yakho. Ufuna umsebenzi uvulekile, especially like KZN. eThekwini umsebenzi everywhere. Umsebenzi ukhona, abantu bayathola ama-truck driver, ama-restaurant, even yesterday, more than 300 people were employed kwi-company yokuthunga. Ama-trucks, over 30 people 2 days ago. Everywhere, jobs are everywhere right now. So there's no excuse for you ukuthi ulokhu ulandela labantu uyokweleta kubona. Please guys, please South Africans, asibuyiseni isithunzi sethu guys.
And one thing I can tell Ethiopians, start fighting back. Start fighting back. Start fighting back. Because once you guys also keep quiet, the South African people will take advantage of you guys. The South African people will take advantage of you guys. Start standing up and start fighting back. And I wish, really, I swear to God, I wish Donald Trump can make an example with South Africa. Because you guys are really stupid. You guys are stupid. I'm telling you guys are stupid. You guys are stupid. Fucking South African people. I'm very angry. And I wish y'all stupid South Africans must comment on my video today. I'm very angry. I'm so deeply angry. Come on. You are very stupid. You're very stupid, South Africa. I'm telling you, you're stupid people. Nonsense.
Who exactly is a stupid here? You left your own country, you ran to another country for greener pastures. And when you are in that country, you are not paying tax, you are not contributing anything. And what you are saying is that if we chase you away, our country will be broke. Why did you run away from your own country to look for greener pastures in a country that depends on you? Why was this country a greener pasture before you came? Remember, you ran away from your country because of the greener pasture you want in this country. Now you are telling us it will be broke if you are chased away. Who exactly is a fool here? And another question is, if you are clever, why do you wish for your only hope to be sanctioned? What are you going to do after that? Okay, let's say now your prayer is answered, then South Africa will be sanctioned. Where are you going to run to? Do you have any other hope except South Africa? You see, guys, we are not smart. We are claiming to be smart, but we are not smart. And now look at the results of these insults. And they are forgetting that the more they are insulting South Africans is the more they are making South Africans angry. And when South Africans are angry, they pour their anger to any foreigner they meet on the streets. And then they will come and blame Image and March.
Sukuma ndoda, ngeke sikhulume nendoda. Sukuma ndoda.
Ukuthi hamba, awuhambe. Ongasusa into zakhe ngizenza so. Ngicaba ukuthi siyadlala la.
Izwe selishintshile bafethu, sifuna ukulungisa indaba zethu. Afonela amaphoyisa. Sifuna wona vela amaphoyisa. Ividiyo lemfanakisi.
Ematanda, ususe la mazimba akho lapha before uzokhaba la maqanda. Susa lento zakho nawo.
Nirelaxile la ithembisa, nirelaxile. Benmasha la. Namba nophakela umthakathi. Manje seniyaqala manje. Nirelaxile nisupporta la iUSave. Why ningathenge iUSave? Kunini nisupporta amaPakistani sithi angathengi? Ake sinitshengise ukuthi idate zifika zisendleleni manje.
Nawo ama-South Africans ayadina. Lento yawo yongafuna ukuya ukuthenga kulabantu. Imagine iUSave is there around the corner. But they prefer to go and buy from these people. Really, I don't understand ukuthi labantu abasathanda ukudla kwalabantu abantu abanjani.
When I come here in the shop, we are always rude, don't want to listen to anyone. So this is a community. We're telling you, we're not asking you, we're telling you, don't open this shop anymore. Don't open this shop anymore. Just go away, phone your guys, come with a bike, check your stuff, and leave. Mama, you're gonna support Mama. If Mama's got money, she's gonna open all by herself. In South Africa, you're gonna just leave our place. All of you, if you have to donate shop, we're gonna go there. Yeah. All of you. Yeah.
I don't have electricity.
No, Mama now.
Mama has no electricity. By Tokole, Atatwa.
Too much. Listen.
How's it, my friend? All right. Nangen. Yeah, okay. So, man, see the store.
I'm fine.
Eh?
I'm fine.
Oh, you are fine? Yeah. But you can go the store, right?
Yeah.
So, see the store. Exactly. Gizwe ngawo uthini. Gizwe from the horse's mouth to go to wena oka uthini wena. Abantu base South Africa bathi akuvala ukusebenza wena yasemthonisa njani? Siyavala mnthonisha mfethu. Sifuna ukuvala angithi asazi vele South Africa ithina ngithi.
Ngiyazi mfethu.
Yes siyacela bafo manje siyavala nje. Sisi wakubaba siyavala. Siyavala siyacela mfethu. Yeah siyavala mfethu okay into esicela ile. Asili nomuntu mfethu okay. Asili nomuntu bafethu. Yabo okay into esisho nje ukuthini?
Okay.
Usithini wakana?
You are closing.
Igama lakho ba okay.
Okay.
No okay your name full name.
My name
Please.
is Oga, bro. I'm closing, bro.
You closing? Yeah, close. Mama na. Sorry mama. Siyaxolisa bomma bami. Iyaxolisa. Wena ma wakuphi ma? Ma. Sorry ma wakuphi? Wakuphi? Siyamcela. Wemana, sobuye. Okay. Please don't make me. No, okay, don't make me a fool and then when I come back, when I go. Because I'm the only one on it. Yeah. When I go, you're gonna open again. Ngicela we Sokela. Unjani? Uyaphila? Mama, ngicela shole indawo lapha ya. Na indawo ntombazana abamakhutha le ibovu lapha. Lokho oluka khona. Ngiyayicelela ma wami. Angixabani nawe yazi. Ngiyacela. Bakhona abamakhutha nabo le ndawo epink uyoluka khona. Sokela, awuqhubeka umsebenzi wamakhutha esiubonayo. Basebenza abantu bamakhutha. Sifuna sisebenza umakhutha kuphela la. Phantu umakhutha. Hayi umuntu akufika. Hayi umuntu ongasiyena wamakhutha. Umuntu ongasiyena wamakhutha akahambe. Ahamba ekwela kubo. Wonke umuntu unekubo. Ahamba elokwela kubo ayosebenza ngakubo. Wonke umuntu unikwe idate othi mhla 30 agoduke. Mhla 30 wonke umuntu ongalona la ekhaya akahambe. Akahambe umuntu ayekwela kubo. Umuntu nomuntu akahamba ekwela kubo. Straight. Phela akukho okunye.
So these are some of the consequences of insulting the citizens of the country. So guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you guys. Bye.